Hi guys, welcome back. It's Nadine. Today I am doing an unboxing on the Instapot Aura. I've been wanting to get Instapot for a while, probably about a year, but I was researching it and asking friends about it, and everyone speaks highly of it, so I actually got one. I got the newer version one because this one does everything as the old one does, but this one also works as a crock pot, and I've wanted to get a new crock pot for a while, so it's like getting getting both in one pot instead of having two things. So I got it at Target, so I'm trying to get this video up as soon as possible because currently at Target they cost $129.95. They're on sale for $69.95, and on top of that there's a 30% off cartwheel. So after all that I paid $49.05. I also used my Target Red card, so you get another 5%, so it's under $50 when it's originally $130. So if you want it, I think the Cartwheel app and the sale ends this Saturday, June 1st. So if you want to get one, you need to get one like ASAP. So let me show you what it looks like. So this is it in the box, and it has 8 different features, which I will show you shortly. And I will unbox it and I'll show you what it can do. Okay, so this is it. So let me just open it up. Welcome to the world of Instapot cooking. Woo! Okay. So it comes with a user manual and a cookbook. Cool. Give me some ideas. As you can see, let me move my camera up a little. Sorry guys. Okay. This is the glass lid. Pretty nice. It has a nice sturdy handle on it, which is good. And, measuring cup. I got plenty of those. Let me take it out of here and move the box. Okay. So here's the pot. There is the cord. It comes with a roasting rack, so you can do like rotisserie, you know, make a whole chicken or a pot roast. Comes with a rack, this stuff. And it has separate handles. So here's the handle for the actual heating vessel, I guess you could say. Well, no, the actual pot. This is the heating vessel. And that is it. So it works like this. If you're roasting something, you got the pot. Pretty cool. Well, let me show you the front. Okay, so this is the front part, and as you can see, it has 8 different features, which is sear, saute, bake, steam, stew, slow cook, which I'll use today to show you, roast, rice, multigrain, yogurt. I'm curious to what yogurt does. It also has temperature control, timer control, delay start if you just want to preset it for a later time, cancel, and keep warm. So today I'm going to make chili in this, and we will see how it turns out. Okay, so I put it on, and what I like about this so far is that I can cook the meat in this instead of having cooking on another pot. Everything I can do in one pot. So I'm going to choose sear saute. It has the temperature and the minutes, which I'm just going to put about 15 minutes because that's how long it'll probably take me. Let me adjust my camera here. 1 second, guys. There we go. Now, I don't have no special recipe. Now say it's on, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some olive oil in it, even though it looks like a non-stick, but we'll see. This is no special recipe. I don't measure. I just season to taste, so I'll do my best, but As I wait for that to heat, I'll show you what I have. Let's see with the camera. So I have 1 pound of ground turkey, 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes, cannellini beans and black beans. I usually use red kidney beans, but I couldn't find, I don't have any, so we're just going to use this. I always wash canned beans just to get all that gunk off of it, that syrup thing that preserves it. I also use 1 onion, garlic, and red pepper. And my seasonings are, let's see, cumin, coriander, oregano, smoked paprika, a little bit of cayenne. My kids don't like spicy food. Salt and pepper, and Trader Joe's chili lime. So once this heats up, we're going to do the meat first. So I'm just going to put this in now. There's my food. Okay, so as you can hear, it's sizzling, but I'm just gonna fast forward all this so you don't have to sit here and watch me cook. So now I'm going to turn off the sear and go straight to turn this off, whoops, and go to slow cook. Now we're at low for 6 hours. So now it's the crock pot phase, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. As you can see, it has about 27 minutes left, so let's see what it looks like. Voila! Looks good. So now what I do is I add corn to it. Give it more flavor. Okay guys, so that was my Instapot chili, first time ever using it, and I really like this pot because it's a slow cooker for one, and I can brown the meat in the pot instead of having to use it in another pot and then put it in a crock pot like I used to. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you want Instapot or Aura, get it before this Saturday, June 1st, because that'll be the last day that the Cartwheel app will work. We get additional 30% off when it's already marked down to $69.95 from $129.95. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a like and a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and put on your notification bell so you know I put up a video. Guys, until we meet again, have a very blessed day.